Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of 7-Star Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 4. So student, as we have done with the explanation of chapter number 7, which was verbs. So today we are going to do exercises of this chapter. We will do today exercise 7A, which is given on page number 51, and exercise B, which is given on page number 52, and exercise 7C, which is given on page number 53. So let's start with page number 51, exercise 7A. In exercise 7A, what we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Verbs are not given, so we have to fill it ourselves. It can be various because it doesn't mean कि मैंने जो fill कर दिया सिर्फ वही words आ सकते हैं. You can fill it according to yourself. अगर आपको कोई suitable verb और लगता है कि हो सकता है, then you can fill it yourself as well. Okay. Now number 1, Jerry dashed in a mine. Jerry dashed in a mine. When we talk about regular things, जो daily routine या regular होते हैं, then what we do? We need to write verbs first form, verb का present form. अगर नाउन सिंगुलर है तो उसमें एस या ईएस ऐड हो जाता है. अगर नाउन या प्रोनाउन प्लूरल है तो वो सिर्फ प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में रहेगा, एस या ईएस नहीं आएगा. बट यहाँ पे जैसे जेरी सिंगुलर नंबर का है तो व्हाट वी विल राइट वर्ब्स, क्योंकि ये जेरी का रूटीन वर्ब जेरी का काम बता रहा है. ओके. नंबर 2, द बॉय डैश द बॉल. इन पिक्चर यू कैन से द बॉय इज किकिंग, so what we can write, the boy kicks. The boy kicks the ball because एक ही boy की बात हो रही है, singular number. Number 3, the dog dash for a walk every day. I that's mean go. Number 4, sorry. Number 3 is the dog dash and cat mews. Cat mews, तो cat का regular लिखा हुआ है तो mew पे उन्होंने s जोड़ रखा है. Yes, so in the same way what dog to dog bark. तो उसमें s जोड़ के what it will be barks. ठीक है. Then what it will be barks. The dog barks and the cat mews. Number 4, I dash for a walk every morning. He is telling about his regular routine work. So what it will come? What will come? Go. Verbs first form, present form. Number 5, father dash newspaper. Father dash newspaper. Father is singular number. That's mean verbs present form and s will be added. Reads. Father reads the newspaper. Number 6, the birds dash in the sky. Birds, that means so many, plural number. What will come? Verbs first form, but we will not add any s or es. Number 7, the duck dash in the pond. The duck dash in the pond is swimming. Is swimming. Why we have written is? Why ing form is there? In the pond. तैर रही है. We are showing continuous. Okay. This we will learn later in the same chapter. Now number 8 is the naughty boy dash off the tree. Naughty boy jumped. कूद चुका होगा. जब हमें पता है कोई बार तो बेस नहीं कूदेगा. That's when we are talking about past. Jump off the tree. Number 9, both the sisters dash well. Both the sisters dance well we can write, and we can write dance as well. दोनों आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे, past and present form दोनों आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay. Number 10, the poor man dashed under the tree. We are talking about past. वो पेड़ के नीचे सो गया था. We can write slept. Okay. You can write sleep if you want to show the present tense. Number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Number 11, Peggy dashed home before sunset. Peggy comes before the sunset, or Peggy came for present and for past. Next is number 12, Ronald knows how to write. Now listen very carefully. ब्लैंक से पहले अगर टू आता है और अगर हम किसी सेंटेंस में टू का यूज कर रहे हैं, देन आफ्टर टू वी मस्ट राइट प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. हमेशा आफ्टर टू के बाद तुरंत हम जो वर्ब लिखते हैं वो वर्ब अपने प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. गॉट इट? दैट्स मीन आफ्टर टू TO2 we use verbs present form. Okay, right. Number 13, Boni dash very neatly. Boni writes very neatly. Number 14, caterpillars dash on leaf. Regular की बात हो रही है, verbs first form. Caterpillars plural number is yes नहीं add करेंगे. Now number 15, one cat dash on the couch. Jumped. As I have told you in that sentence, jumped. We are talking about past. Okay, so we have done with exercise 7, 8. Now I am going to erase it, then we will do exercise 7B. Exercise 7B. Page number 52. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Same we have to do. We have to read the sentence. Then we have to think about it. It is in present or it is about past. So then we will write the present form of verb. If it is asking, if it is for past tense, then we will write past form of verb. Okay. But verb we have to select from ourselves because it is not given in the book. The father dashed his son some currencies. Diya. That means we are talking about past. Gave. Yes, they need to put currency देगा नहीं. So what will come? Gave. The father gave. Second form. That will past form of gave. Number 2, the little rat got. Second form is already given. Get the got. That we will write first form. Got catch to a trap. Number 3, Jim and Tim were. Jim and Tim were. Were is there. Was of word का क्या होता है? They are continuous form. Continuous. For continuous tense we use them. Past continuous. So what will happen in continuous tense we use ing form. So what will we write? Wandering. Wandering means ढूंढना. Wandering in the forest. अनजान जगहों पर ढूंढना. Number 4, the poor man torn shoes. फटे हुए shoes. That's with had. Past की बात करें इसके have का past form use करेंगे. Had I have told you ना, some verbs are there which we use to complete a sentence. Yes, had torn shoes. Number 5, the wise king dash well. Wise king did well. अच्छा किया. Okay, to complete sentence we have used verb and form of do. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Number 6, the judge dash a black coat. The judge has. Now we are using have a form. Yes, as verb to show or to complete a sentence. The judge has a black coat. Number 7, our teacher asked to be obedient. That's me taught. वो पहले हमें सिखा चुके हैं. We are talking about past. So past tense form. Okay. Number 8, the elephant dash heavy logs loaded. We are talking about past. If you read the sentence, then you will get to know that this sentence is about past. Past के बारे में बात हो रही है. उसमें heavy logs उसमें ना किए गए. Yes, loaded. We should dash fresh vegetables. We will write eat. With we will, shall, should and would and can, could के साथ हमेशा verb का first form use करते हैं. For that we have used eat here. Number 10, the brave soldier dash well. लड़े. past की बात हो रही है. Then fight का past form will be fought. F-O-U-G-H-T, fought. Number 10. Now number 11. Number 11, Alice and Cindy have dashed to see me. Come to see me. With has, have, had, we always use verbs word form. That means past participle form of the verb. So what is the past participle form of come? It's singular, it's same come. Okay. Number 12, the man dashed fast to catch the train. Ran. We are talking about past, so we will use past form of the verb. Number 13, my mother dash my books neat. My mother keeps regular बात हो रही है, that means we are talking about present. My mother keeps my books neat. Number 14, the nightingale dash sweetly. Regular routine की बात हो रही है, sings. That means present form. And we are using for singular number nightingale. For that we have added s in the last. Number 15, the bees dash on the flower. The bees buzz. Buzz is the sound of bees. Okay. Now we have done the exercise 7b. Now we do the exercise 7c, which is the last for today. Exercise 7c. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now see what it is asking. It is asking fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb using helping verbs. Now what happened? I have told you about the helping verbs last day. So इसमें हमको helping verbs के साथ verb को use करना है. Okay? Maggie is carrying. See, is और carrying दोनों लगाया है उन्होंने. तो according to helping verb ही हम verb का form use करते हैं. Okay? See, helping verb I have told you tense बताता है, time बताता है, इसलिए उसके according ही verb का use होता है. Now number 2, the train dash at 4 p.m. हम बता रहे हैं future की बात कर रहे हैं. For that will be and will के साथ verb का first form लगता है. And I have told you will, shall, should और will, should, shall. Will, shall, should, would, can, could and do diders के साथ verb का first form आता है. Full right. Number 3, both of them dash the truth. Both of them are speaking the truth. Because we are talking about two persons, plural noun के साथ हम present में क्या लगाते हैं? Are speaking. In continuous form we use present participle form. Yeah, that's in ing form of verb. Okay. Number 4, he dashed the town. He has left the town. Okay, he left the third form होता है. Second form, he has left the town. That's mean वो शहर छोड़ चुका है. Has have had के साथ verbs third form. Always use past participle form of verb. Number 5, the servant dash late every day. The servant is coming late every day. Number 5, sorry, one has been already done. It is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6. We are going to number 6. The boys dash hard. The boys have worked hard. Okay. Number 7. It will be number 7. Number 7. They dash for their exams. They are studying. They are studying for their exams. In present they are doing this for continuously. Dash number 8. We dash for our house. They are doing something which is in continuous. We are looking for a house. Number 9. Father dash me a new bike. ठीक है? Father has present में वर्ब हो चुका है. Has bought. Father has bought me a new bike. Number 10. The old man dash all his hair. Had lost. Third form past में हो चुका है. उसके बाद खत्म हो चुके. कितना हो गया? लंजू. Number 11. The cook dash a tasty meal. बना चुका है already. Dash mean present में verb is and dash mean past present perfect tense. Has cooked. Okay. Now come to number 12. Number 12 is The milkman dashed the cow. The milkman is milking. Milking. The milkman is milking the cows, going continuously. For that we have to use continuous form. Is milking. Number 13. He dashed a good time. He had a good time. Number 14. The dogs dashed the cat. The dogs are chasing the cat. It's their favorite job. Number 15. Ray dash games on the computer. Ray is playing और यहाँ पे हम plays भी लिख सकते हैं. Both are correct. Answer can be various. We can write plays. खेलता है और we can write will play as well. Okay. Number 16. The frog dashed on the grass. The frog was sleeping भी लिख सकते हैं, but we will write hopping. उछलते हैं. Okay. The frog was hopping on the grass. Okay. Now we have to do number 17, 18, 19 and 20 that I am going to write that side. Okay. Number 17 is Little Goopy dash her sheep has lost. Number 18. I dash my work. Present tense am doing. We use am in present tense with I am. Okay. Number 19. The children dash the national anthem. The children are singing भी लिख सकते हैं हम were singing भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, both are correct. Answer can be various. The children were singing the national anthem. Children are singing the national anthem. Okay, or the children had sung or the children have sung the national anthem. All are correct. Number 20 is the last one. I dash a composition when the light went off. I was writing. I was writing a composition when the light went off. Okay. So this is it for today. Thank you. Have a good day.